Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. So my wife doesn't know this. I think she's gotten subtle hints, but she doesn't know that all her old hair dryer, curling iron, straightener. This is a nice straightener. But yeah, I have a I kind of, for Valentine's Day, even though it's already past Valentine's Day, I got all four. I know I only needed three, well, not needed, but I could have only gotten three of the four because they have two different types of hair straighteners. So I got the entire line of Dyson hair products, the blow dryer, the curling iron thing, the new air straightener, and then the standard straightener. So all four of them, plus like a comb kit. One of the combs is on back order, so I'm still waiting on it, like the brush or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and have her sit down and surprise her with them, saying, hey, I need you to unbox these. And we'll go from there.
Life update! Just kidding.
My wife has no idea why she's sitting here right now. Valentine's Day I ordered you a bunch of stuff, and obviously didn't come for Valentine's Day because, you know, shipping and other stuff like that. So I know you'll be mad. I spent a bunch of money, and I don't care. I want to buy you stuff that I know you'll enjoy, even though it's expensive as shit. But
okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and hand you all this stuff, and you're gonna have to unbox it for the camera, because where to start? Okay, here's me. You can start with that. Here's some scissors.
Oh my god, this is heavy.
Here's some scissors.
Obviously, guys, it's not a purse because it's like this, so it'll be helpful if I know how to open this one. Okay.
There's some more here.
Okay, let's open it, guys. One box. Let's see.
As you can see, there's more and more and more here. There's more and more. Let's go. I know, look at your face. Here, I'll help you. Okay, maybe I won't help you.
What is it?
They really wrap this thing, don't they?
Hi.
Where's the scissors?
Oh, it says Dyson. I don't know. Oh, right here.
There's so many boxes for to unbox.
Hi. Here's our Pepper. She's actually my dog. She's my dog.
One box of many. No, we are not returning any of these. You are stuck with everything that I bought. So,
Oh my gosh.
so enjoy. I mean, obviously.
Okie doke. Let's see. What's this?
And then we'll have to try to do an honest review of these later.
It's a Dyson, guys. So, it's like this box. I like the box. Oh, the cage.
So we have to bring these to the store. They'll actually custom engrave the boxes, but they'll only do it in the store. So you can't order engraving. To go to the store to have the free engraving done.
Pepper, leave her alone, please. So here, what it comes, I guess it's a blow dryer, and it comes with some tools. This one, and this one, I don't know what this is for. And there's another one, this one. See? So.
Pretty sure there's another tool that it's supposed to come with.
Thank you, baby. Next!
So, pretty sure there's another attachment that this is supposed to come with, so we'll see how that works. But this is the limited edition.
What?
Yeah, all the ones that come with cases are considered limited edition. The normal ones don't come with a case.
So you know, guys, if you already been a subscriber to Brad for a long time, you already know if there's something new, he goes overboard and buys
just a little bit.
Everything. So there's another box, another Dyson. So for sure, I don't know what this is, but Dyson World.
Where's the scissors again?
I don't know. I gave it to you.
Find me. I'm trying to do this quick. I'll try to speed it up, but.
How many Dyson?
Oh my God, there's so many.
Like all these boxes are Dysons, guys. I think.
I can't even. They really. The cats are even curious. They're like, ooh, boxes.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
So this, mind you, I got.
So guys, this is the next one. It's called Dyson's Air Straight.
Yeah, Air Straight. So they were on sale, so I got a couple $100 off. So it's not like I paid full price for them.
Can you?
Because I don't know anyone that would be smart enough to pay full price.
Okay, there's another one, guys. How do you open this one?
So I think this is the only one that.
There you go.
I think this is the only one that didn't come with a box. It comes with like a little.
Oh, that's cool. So when it's warm, you can put it right there, like like a pad.
It's the only one that didn't come with a box.
Oh, that's cool. So this.
But yeah, this is the whole thing.
Yeah.
But it's air. They call it Air Straight. It's their newest one.
So what do they put?
It dries your hair, but there's no heating pad. Like there's no ceramic plates to burn your hair.
But it straightens your hair.
But it still straightens your hair, but it uses the heat through the dryer. So it's a different type of cat climbing on the box. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, this is their latest invention. And it came is like an added bonus kind of thing when I purchased all this stuff. So
let's start with something small.
I also am waiting on one item because it's back ordered. So yeah, it'll come in a couple weeks whenever they get it back in stock. I'm just at this point. I don't even remember everything that I bought. Oh yeah, okay.
So there's another Dyson, guys. It looks like what is this?
It's a brush and comb set.
Brush and comb set. Oh, here.
It's their brush and comb set that's meant to go with their products. The only thing is there's two different types of brushes. They have a circular brush, and then they have like a actual brush. And they have an actual brush that is like the thick one like this, but it's flat. That's the one that's on back order. So I'm waiting on that one to still come. So all of this can fit in these boxes supposedly once you open them up and that. So
there you go. There you go, guys. One brush and one comb. There you go. It's like he's telling me I should brush my hair more often. But
no, I always just hear her in the morning sometimes brushing her hair or turning the hair dryer on or let's do this one last with this one. Let's do this one next, I guess. I think this is the one that I had to order separately from another store. Yeah, because some of this stuff is very difficult to find with a box. Their boxes on their website is always different colors. So it's very frustrating sometimes. Yep.
you see, guys, when I told you, when Brad finds something, he goes overboard and buys everything. So now I have a complete set of
Yes.
hair dryer, hair straightener. What is this? Dyson Air Wrap?
It's the air curler, so you can curl your hair.
Curling iron.
It's like they're, yeah, the end.
And it is not sponsored by Dyson.
And it's a custom box again. And check it out.
It's heavy.
Yeah. And you should see the amount of emails that I've gotten that give you all the hair care tips and all the stuff that obviously I don't need. So I'm going to have to forward those to you. But I guess the QR code, you can scan it and it'll tell you how to use all of this stuff.
So here you go, guys. This is the...
So there's brushes.
I'm not going to remove it out of that box because I'm not really going to use it right now. So.
There's brushes and...
And this is the Air Wrap. Is this new?
Yeah, it's all brand new. Dyson's made these for a while. A little while.
And there's another one like this. It comes with a lot of tools and this
Yeah, and then there's also there's a bunch of other brush
Oh,
attachments.
there's a,
and-
yeah. Oh, there's a. Oh, yeah. I love
No,
it.
there's a lot. Like that's why all
Oh, it
these.
comes with this. How do you do this?
That's why like all this paper and stuff, you'll eventually pull these out because look, there's all these different attachments and stuff like that for it. That's fine. I'll pull all the boxes out now. That way you can make a room. Because that way you can put these brushes in there.
And there you go, guys. And this one. And let's put it back. No, no, doesn't want to close.
Isn't that fun when you get stuff and then you try to close the lids and all that and you
It doesn't
can't
want-
because
it
like
doesn't like close
because there's so much
anymore.
stuff in it. All right, and then trying to find the scissors because I keep losing them. And last but not least, the last one because well, it's the entire set of Dyson. Like literally the entire like all their hair care. This is everything. So we can get rid of all her old stuff. And she's gonna get brand new stuff.
She's playing with Pepper's tail.
I thought she was playing with the couch.
No.
And then this is the really cool one. I wish I could get this color and all the other ones.
Another hair
This is the
straightener.
actual hair straightener. They each serve their different purpose, and you can do different stuff with each of them. So you will learn which one you like and which one you don't like. And this again comes with a mat for you to put it in for traveling if you travel with it.
Cool.
And then you also have, if I can pull this out, because well, there's so much stuff. There's so many boxes. Oh, I know. She's gonna be like, "You're returning this." No, I'm really not.
Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. I like the.
I like this blue, but I could not find this. It's limited
It's
edition.
blue
They
and there's like
discontinued it.
light pink. That's
Yeah,
really
it's a
cute.
limited edition. Like I couldn't find it anywhere. I tried to get all of this other stuff in that same color, but like it just doesn't exist
What
anymore.
is this? A blue. There's no cord.
There is. It's inside because you charge it via a little
Oh, but it's
magnetic
cordless.
charger. Yeah. The other one is corded. This one is corded. This one's cordless.
Oh, I like the cordless one.
I know. So it's like you have options.
It's kind of heavy though, guys. So, like, you know, it's really heavy.
Yeah, they're built to last, supposedly.
The one that you got me, the old ones, I had that for years.
I know. The
The
ceramic plate one.
yeah, I don't know what's the.
I got it from a hairdresser.
Yeah. I don't know what's the brand, but it's really really good one though, guys.
Yeah, I showed it in the opening video of your little corner of stuff. And then I don't know what this is. Air wrap something that it came
So I
with.
told you guys because he buys everything, so he
Oh,
doesn't
so
remember.
it comes with. It came with this. As an added bonus. Like it had bonus items.
It's for free.
Yeah, like it had a bunch of bonus items, but the bonus items were like half of them were out of stock. So I had a very limited selection of choices basically. So I got a second like it comes with a second one of that, but it's like bigger. And it's for like your travel, so you can put everything in there. So like you can put the charging cable.
Yeah, there's a lot. So these guys, there's a lot of like there's like 2 slots, one in here, one like you can put upright, and then in here is another pocket, so you can put it something, you know, like the brush or something.
Or hair ties
Yeah.
or hair stuff.
Yeah, and then you wrap. Oh, right here, there is a picture. You put the, I think what's that? The cord? Oh no.
Yeah, the charging cord.
Look, and then there's one in here. There's
Yeah, the
like.
hair tie. And that's all your accessories.
Yeah, so it's.
Oh no, that's what. This is a portable for this.
Ah.
That's the portable for this.
How do you close this though?
I don't know. I think you would put it in there and then you would wrap. You would probably wrap it.
But why there's some like this? Oh, baby, to hang it.
Yeah, probably.
Oh yeah, but do you think there's? I don't think it's gonna hold the weight.
Huh? I mean,
So that is all for the Dyson's unboxing, like overload, like really overload. So,
yeah, the Dyson craziness. I know, and she'll be. As soon as I turn the camera off, she's gonna be like, "Why did you spend so much? You're gonna take it back." I'm not taking it back.
That's right,
I'm not
guys.
taking it back.
Oh,
No, I'm not taking
thank
it
you
back.
so much, baby. Really appreciate
Now
it.
you gotta learn how to like use all of this stuff.
If I have enough space to put it upstairs.
Yeah, that's gonna be the fun part too.
Yeah.
I actually want to get shelves for next to our bathroom counter. That way we can like put stuff over there.
So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Please do not forget to like and subscribe and watch the videos up there, like what he always says.
Maybe I can convince her to comment below. Should I try to get her to do a video of these?
No. Yeah, but thank
She
you so
hates
much,
the
guys.
camera.
Bye.
Bye. Again, comment below what you think. I know I'm crazy, and yeah, there's a ton of videos like whatever YouTube recommends to you. What should I surprise her with next?
Bag.
Yeah, so comment below what should I surprise her with next. We'll see.
Bags. Purse.
She'd rather get a purse than this, and I take her to a store.
Of course.
And then she doesn't want the purse, even though she wants the purse. She won't let me spend like $5 grand. But
Yeah.
I'll spend money on this, and I'm not returning it. So.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.